BLD Films. We bring your visions to life.
I don't look nothing like you.
I don't know why anybody would think I look like her.
Hello, we're twins, yes sir. I ain't me and she is she, except when I pretend I'm her. And when we switch, you can't tell which is which. You don't know who you're talking to, cause we are identical twins. We look a lot alike, but we are not alike. I'm loud, I'm quiet, she's serious, she's a riot. We're totally different, identical twins. 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 We read different stories, we watch different shows. We have slightly different colored hair, we wear different bows. We dance to different music, we laugh at different jokes. Gosh, it's like we're two different folks, but we appear alike. We're nowhere near alike. She's sweet, she's saucy, what's that mean? You're bossy, says you, it's true, it's not, it's true. We're totally different, identical twins. 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 I'm not a Xerox, I'm not a clone, a duplicate, a copycat, a second scoop of an ice cream cone. Friends, pals, partners, chums, but we're marching to different drums. Up here, alike, we're nowhere near alike. Two totally opposite, utterly different, identical twins, identical twins.